Welcome, guys, to a special episode of
Super special. Another stupid box unboxing.
another stupid unboxing.
Unboxing!
We're gonna get it today. It's gonna be this thing. All right, we're gonna unbox this.
Here we go. Let's see what John's got. What are the goodies, John?
I don't know. Let's open it up and see.
I'm actually a hand model. That's my other job. Hand modeling. All right. Yeah. What if I just got distracted and it was like a 15-minute video of me playing with bubble wrap? All right, are you ready, John?
Oh my God! Let me
Those are
focus
really
now.
cool looking, actually.
There we are.
Hell yeah.
Whoa, dude.
Hell yeah.
Wow.
Get out of here.
Look at those buttes. Look
Those
at
are
that.
nice.
Those are some nice little looking
Those are
dice
some nice
for
dice.
Dungeons and Dragons.
Dragons.
Let's see if these work. Yep, they work.